Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you why you shouldn't care much about the terminology that everybody uses when they talk about skills. First of all, this is my opinion and I don't claim that it's an absolute truth. You should take it with a grain of salt. So let me show you an example. I'm a member of many Russian developer communities, and guess what I usually see when I check what they talk about? In the vast majority of cases, they argue about what a junior, middle or senior developer should know, what are the responsibilities of DevOps, should front-end developers know back-end development, should an architect code, should developers know mathematics or algorithms, and so on. Maybe it's me, but I honestly don't understand these talks. Isn't it obvious that there is no sacred book that has all the definitions and responsibilities? Long story short, if you work as a junior developer in Google, it might not be the same as if you worked as a junior developer in a small company somewhere in a poor country, for example. And what's funny is that actually the person in the poor country may know more or have more responsibilities, or vice versa. Every company has its own requirements. And guess what? In most cases, people expect that you will do the job that the business needs. That's why there are so many memes saying that while being interviewed, they ask you algorithms, but in fact, what you will do is you will change colors and fonts. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you apply for a game development position, of course you will need math. If you go to a company that makes landing pages, then you'll need to know HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But the idea is that what a company is interested in is not to call you a junior or a senior. What a company is interested in is that you make landing pages. But I had a reasonable question. Alright, if you shouldn't care about the terminology, then if you broke your leg, would you go to a dentist? This is of course an extreme comparison. I thought about it for a while and you know what? If the dentist can fix my leg, then yes, I can go to the dentist. So the main thing, you should focus on skills, not titles. I've been working for more than 10 years as a full-stack developer, but I really feel confused when people call me a team lead or a senior developer, especially when it happens because of the number of years of experience. The idea is that I'm good at some things and I'm bad at other things. Recently I saw a post on Reddit where the creator of Redux struggled with centering a div. So we should call him an intern? Or is it an extremely complex task? Of course not. So again, pay attention to skills, not titles. I would really appreciate it if you tell me in the comments what do you think about this, because honestly it's getting frustrating to see all the arguments around this topic. Thank you so much and see you very soon.